Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little show and tell on these two Lisa Frank plushies, and they are going to be on Violet and Playful. Here is the inside of the tag. Feel free to pause the video, and it says Playtime Kitten. And here you can see Playtime is embroidered on the side of it. She also has a 3D heart. And then we have Violet. She's the exact same color hue as Playtime. She does have some spots on her face and her feet, as you can see. She also has a similar embroidered name on the side and a 3D rainbow heart. Okay, so that is all for this show and tell. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.